To the former beauty queen from Georgia accused of plotting to kill her estranged husband. Lindsay Shiver appearing in court in the Bahamas. ABC's Morgan Norwood has more on the latest proceedings. Good morning, Morgan.
Ariel, good morning. It's a murder conspiracy case that stretches from Georgia to the Bahamas, and it centers around a bitter divorce and a bizarre love triangle between Lindsay Shiver, her Bahamian lover, and her husband, whom she'd allegedly hired a hitman to kill. Shiver hearing that mounting evidence against her on Friday, and the case now set to be heard in the country's highest court.
Smiling as she walked out of court with her attorney, the case against Lindsay Shiver, the Georgia mom accused of plotting to kill her estranged husband in the Bahamas, moving forward, and now headed to the Bahamas Supreme Court for trial.
Lindsay, you want to say anything about the allegations?
The mother of three on a $100,000 bail in the Bahamas appearing in court on Friday and hearing the evidence against her. Her attorney planning to file a bail variation next week to ask the court to allow her to leave the country to see her children, who she last saw on July 16th, just 1 week before her arrest. Shiver is charged with conspiring to kill former college football player Robert Shiver with the help of her boyfriend and an alleged hitman. According to a police report, investigators say Lindsay admitted to sending messages and photos saying kill him. Lindsay's lawyer saying in a statement, in part, the evidence will demonstrate Lindsay's innocence and she is facing the legal process with complete transparency and honesty.
Her team is hoping that the judge will either dismiss this case or set it for a speedy trial. But unfortunately, she's up against a very crowded and very slow legal system in the Bahamas.
The Shivers in the midst of a contentious divorce. Police called multiple times leading up to her arrest. The couple seen here arguing at their Georgia home in July.
Just got super aggressive, and that's when I called immediately because he's been physical before, and I'm just not doing that.
A separate incident playing out at her in-laws in April, just weeks after her husband filed for divorce. Lindsay claiming her husband was blocking her from seeing her three boys. Her mother-in-law calling 911, saying she was harassing them.
She's delusional, and we know that. And her mom and husband, myself, we're all like, you've got to go get some help.
And Lindsay's estranged husband, Robert, was not in court on Friday, guys. She is due before a judge again next Friday for arraignment, but a lot of people talking about this story.
Such an interesting case. Morgan, thank you.